I know what you're in here for, so let's just get into it, shall we? The model we have right here is the 14-inch M4 Max MacBook Pro with 1TB of storage. And without further ado, let's get into it. We have a paper insert with the MacBook inside of it. I'm gonna leave it to the side for now. Here we have a black MagSafe charging cable, very sick. We lift this here and we find a bunch of manuals I will never read. A massive 95-watt charging brick. Let me just unpeel this real quick. And the cool thing with this type of charger is that I can plug in any USB-C cable into it, meaning I can charge all of my devices. It is heavy though. I completely forgot about this. It's color match and braided. I just wish they did this with a brick. Now let's get back to the main event. God, Now for the best part. Let's open it up. What? Ooh. Nice. First impressions, for an all-aluminum computer, this computer is surprisingly light, at least compared to my Dell G15. And I mean, there's nothing else to it. Stay tuned for my full review.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
As I was saying, this computer looks incredibly sick and I look forward to using it. So what can I say? Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my full review. And I'll see y'all in the next one.